Can you immediately find a list of all of the room panels that you have throughout your entire organization, or even just a location that you're in? We removed the hassle and brought forward a centralized approach to managing your meeting room displays. Before we dive in, this video is referring just to the RICOH Room Displays app on compatible devices. If you're looking for information on visitor management or wayfinding using RICOH smart displays, it's not going to be included in this video, but we do have some useful articles available on our help center that I will link in the description below. So let's get started. Firstly, where can you find all of your room panels? Well, it's not by trawling through all your different locations or looking on different meeting rooms. They're all available in one centralized place in our screen management menu. From our map, we're going to go into organization settings. We simply go into screen management in the left-hand menu, and this will give us all of the screens that we have in our organization. If you're a global admin of the platform, you'll be able to see all of the panels across your entire organization. Location admins and screen admins will only see the devices for the locations they are administrators of. If you need access to additional locations, then please get in touch with your global admins who will be able to assign you the roles. From the screen management area, you can see all of the information at a glance. The screen name, the room or rooms it's assigned to, the floor it's on, the location it's in, device type, is it a room display or a multi-room display, its status, the background, and your actions, like edit or delete. We'll talk about those in a minute. If you're going down this list and not seeing the panel that you're looking for, you can use the button at the bottom of the screen to expand from 20 devices up to 100. Additionally, if you have a lot of devices, there might be multiple pages which you can click through with the arrows at the bottom. There are filters at the top, such as status, types, and location. Additionally, you can use the search bar at the top, typing in something like the panel name to really zero in on that specific device. Additionally, you might also see the customer code button in the top right-hand corner. This is used in the configuration process, and if you'd like to know all of the steps on how to configure a panel, then we have another dedicated video which goes through this entire process. I'll add a link in the description for you. Your room panels don't need to keep the same old background. As an administrator, you have a certain level of customization that you can make. There are a library of pre-configured wallpapers that we provide, but you can also upload your own custom wallpapers which can be used on your panels. To do so, you just need to upload an image, which is either a JPEG or a PNG file, and keep it under 2 megabytes. If you're not happy with it, you can also delete a wallpaper. But just know if you do delete a custom wallpaper, it may affect any screens using it as a background. To manage individual displays, you can use the edit button, which will allow you to change the background, going back to your background library and picking one of the pre-configured backgrounds or one of your custom ones that you've uploaded. You can also change the panel name, which might help make it easier to identify in the list. Once you've made your updates, hit apply changes, and they'll reflect in the system. Now, occasionally things can change. Meeting rooms can be repurposed and devices can be moved. So to be able to reset a panel, we have to delete it from our list. We just hit the bin icon, and it will ask us if we're sure we want to delete the screen. What this will do is reset the room panel. So whether you want to move that room panel or repurpose the meeting room entirely, by deleting the room from the list, you'll be able to reconfigure it to a different space. And speaking of reconfiguring, like we mentioned before, there is a customer code that you can use to configure it, but once it's done, you can also use the admin pin in the settings icon to be able to access the device settings. Just note these codes are unique to your organization, so I wouldn't go sharing them. Now you have everything you need to be able to effectively manage your room panel devices. Keeping them all in a simple, centralized area is going to help you easily find the panels that you need. And by using the built-in tools, finding a specific device has never been easier. For more information, we have written articles available on our help center, and of course, you can find more videos like this one on our YouTube channel. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.